This video will provide you many multiple questions about organic chemistry mechanisms. These questions help you to make deep revision in short time when you are preparing exams. Question 1. Which reaction occurs when ethane and chlorine are mixed in the presence of sunlight? The correct answer is B. Question 2. High-energy irradiation in the stratosphere produces radicals from chlorofluoroalkanes, commonly known as CFCs. Which radical could result from irradiation of this chlorofluoroalkanes? The correct answer is C. Question 3. Bromomethane is used as a fumigant to destroy insect pests in grain that is to be stored. It can be made by reacting methanol with hydrogen bromide. What type of reaction is this? The correct answer is D. Question 4. What type of reaction makes ethylamine from bromethane? The correct answer is C. Question 5. The equation shows an organic reaction. What is the name for this type of reaction? The correct answer is A. This molecule is responsible for the flavor of spearmint chewing gum. What is a true statement about the functional groups 1 or 2? The correct answer is A. The decomposition of ozone contributes to formation of a hole in the stratosphere. Two equations which represent part of the process are shown below. Which statement is correct about the decomposition of ozone? The correct answer is B. In the reaction scheme shown, which of the following statements is correct? The correct answer is B. Question 9. An incomplete mechanism for the reaction of concentrated sulfuric acid with butan-1-ol is shown below. Which of the following fragments in this mechanism is incorrect? The correct answer is B and D. Question 10. What is the major product formed when compound Q is warmed with excess hydrogen bromide? The correct answer is C. Ethene reacts with aqueous bromine to give these two products. Which statement about these products is correct? The correct answer is C. Question 12. In the presence of ultraviolet light, ethane and chlorine react to give a mixture of products. Which compound could be present in the mixture of products? The correct answer is B. Question 13. In the hydrolysis of bromothane by aqueous sodium hydroxide, what is the nature of the attacking group and of the leaving group? The correct answer is C. Question 14. What statement is true about the mechanism of the reaction between aqueous sodium hydroxide and 1-bromobutane? The correct answer is A. Question 15. The reaction mechanism between ethanol and hot, concentrated phosphoric acid is classified as. The correct answer is C. Question 16. Which equation represents a correct propagation step in the free radical substitution reaction between ethane and chlorine? The correct answer is C. Question 17. The following mechanism is missing the arrows showing the movement of electron pairs. Which of the following descriptions of the missing arrows is correct? The correct answer is A. Question 18. A student has drawn a mechanism to show electrophilic addition. In which part of the mechanism did the student make a mistake? The correct answer is C. Question 19. The following diagram shows a nucleophilic substitution mechanism, but only one of the arrows is correctly drawn. Which arrows is correctly drawn? The correct answer is C. Question 20. The reaction sequence below shows a pair of reaction types. Which row of the table correctly shows the two reaction types? The correct answer is D. Question 21. Bromine will react with ethane in a free radical substitution reaction. Which reaction is not a valid termination step in the mechanism? The correct answer is A. Question 22. Which of the following substances cannot be a product of nucleophilic substitution of 1-bromobutane? The correct answer is C. Question 23. 1-bromopropane undergoes nucleophilic substitution with excess ammonia. A student has drawn the mechanism for the reaction, but has made an error in the diagram. The segment which contains the error is The correct answer is C. Question 24. Chlorofluorocarbons from refrigerants, propellants, and aerosols are known to be responsible for the destruction of the ozone layer in the stratosphere. One early CEFC was trichlorofluoromethane. Which step from a possible mechanism for the destruction of ozone is not likely? The correct answer is C. Question 25. 2-methylbuta, 1,3-diene reacts with hydrogen bromide to give a number of products. What is the major product of this reaction? The correct answer is D. Question 26. The dehydration of alcohols is an elimination reaction, resulting in alkene and water as the only products. What is the correct structure of the intermediate species in the mechanism for the dehydration of butanol that leads to the formation of the alkene? The correct answer is A. Question 27. Ethanol can react to form ethene in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 300 Celsius degree. Which of the following descriptions is correct for the first mechanism arrow? The correct answer is A. Question 28. Which mechanism occurs when potassium cyanide reacts with an aldehyde? The correct answer is B. Question 29. Which mechanism occurs between phenylamine and chloroethane? The correct answer is B. Question 30. Which of the arrows in the following mechanism is not correct? The correct answer is D. Question 31. In the mechanism shown, which of the arrows is not correct? The correct answer is C. Question 32. In the reaction scheme outlined, which mechanism occurs in step 1? The correct answer is A. Question 33. Propanone can be used to form 2-hydroxy-2-methylpropanenitrile. Which of the following descriptions is correct for the first two mechanism arrows? The correct answer is C. Question 34. Which alkene reacts with hydrogen chloride to give 2-chloro-3-methylpentane as the major product? The correct answer is D. Question 35. The reaction between butanoyl chloride and benzene is an example of acylation. Which of the following correctly demonstrates part of the reaction mechanism? The correct answer is C. Question 36. A mixture of products are made when methylamine and chlorothane react by nucleophilic substitution. Which of the following is not a possible product? The correct answer is D. Question 37. 4-methylphenylamine is formed during the following reaction scheme. Which combination of reagents are required for each step? The correct answer is B. If you need to know why we choose this as answer, write in comment. I'm happy to help you. I will give you full explanation for these questions. I will help you to understand the correct answer and why other are incorrect. If these questions are helpful, please subscribe for more videos.